last week. Hello, everybody. It's Steve again from the new Steve Henry Show. And what am I doing? They call me Foreman Steve because I am under construction once again. Follow me to the studio. Oh, my God. What is that? That's Chipotle Grill. Hang on the roof, Hank. I got you covered. Put that scaffolding back. I'll be right with you. We're doing a YouTube shot. 85 miles northwest of our destination, the Grand Canyon. That's right. We're going to stop here for lunch. They are under a new program, too. It's called the Digital Kitchen. Everything's going to be digital. No more dining in. You either drive up or you walk up to the window. And you, loved ones, this Saturday, because you're live, are going to be able to go right to our window and order Chipotle Grill just like you would at the real restaurant. They're going to roll about 10 of these out in October, but I want you to be the first to try these. You don't want to miss it. And we have the winners from last week. Let's not forget those. We give away every week here at the new Steve Henry Show. All you got to do is show up and participate. Make sure you open up that Wednesday email blast, loved ones, and the Saturday too, because it all coincides together. Commenting on the Wednesday email is also essential to your financial future. Here are the winners. Never been to Disney. That was the one that we asked. That was the Bliss last week on Wednesday. Who has never been to Disney? There was a lot of people who have never been to Disneyland, Disney World, or the Disney Experience. I felt bad. I said, I'm going to give them $100. Let's put them all into a spinner and spin. Well, we did. Nikki Acosta won $100. The Explorer family, that's Justin Jones, baby, won $100. And Gabriel Jaramillo won all $100. Those checks are going out this week. $50 winners because we didn't have a jackpot. That's right. You saw Lucky Go Lucky. This is Lucky's last chance. If we don't hit a jackpot this week, Lucky's bye-bye. We'll get another bird or something. Funny thing, 4 out of 5 the week before. I don't understand that. Lucky. Anyways, if you stuck around to the end of the show, $50 winners, because we always spin. All you got to do there is announce on the live show Saturday that, hey, I'm here, Steve. And that gets you into a spin in which we pull out names at the end of the show for $50. AFFIE, your winner. We don't have your address, AFFIE. We need your address in order to get you a check. Jenny Lynn, Minnie Clary, that's Max mom, yeah, baby. Stacy Gotham, Mary Carey. Mary's on her way back to Michigan. I saw her the other day. Victor Matas, he came by the studio, got his check. And Ophelia B, you all went out earlier this week, so you all got checks. You're all winners. We're also going to do roasted chili. There's nothing like, yes, right, roasted chili. You're going to see these. If you live in the Southwest, roasted chili is going to complement that, that Chipotle Grill like you've never seen. Over here, we've got a hanging rooster. That's right. That's Happy Go Lucky. What's he doing? He's hanging by a thread. Why? Because he didn't get one jackpot Saturday, and this is his last chance. If he doesn't hit a jackpot, he's not doing so good so far. Lucky is going to go bye-bye. So, loved ones, you don't want to miss this Saturday. How do you get all this fun, too? Well, you go to the new SteveHenryShow.com. You register. You put in all your stuff. I say that every week, but we got to do it. I've got 2 more checks I'm waiting to send out, and I don't have addresses. These are people that won money last week. I need to send you money. The new SteveHenryShow.com. Subscribe, register, do all that stuff you're supposed to do. And this Saturday, we are going to the Grand Canyon with Lucky Go Lucky for maybe the last time. Dad smoking cigarettes like you wouldn't believe, roasting green chili and eating at Chipotle Grill, all before we get to the Grand Canyon. And wait till you see what we have planned for the Grand Canyon. It's going to be a marvelous, darling. Be here, 4 o'clock live Mountain Time. Don't you dare be late!